You want to smile? He's smiling for the camera. Mwah. Alright guys, so we finally made it to our destination. We have no idea what we're doing. We have no clue where we're going. We're gonna get lost. Oh yeah, Mom, she's an expert in Chinatown. So where are we going? You're gonna give us the tour.
Yeah, we're gonna get some Orientalist stuff like pampano. Wow. And what more?
Dim sum.
Dim sum and dragon fruits. Oh
And
my.
fish.
And mango fish. The pampano is already fish though.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Alright, so we're here. I think they're ready.
We're ready.
Hey girl. I just ordered a number 4 Tiger Sugar. Apparently you're supposed to shake it upside down 15 times.
No, they just poke a hole in it.
Oh, see? I didn't know.
Yeah, see, I was watching people.
Poke a hole right through it, huh?
Yeah. See, you would have had it spilling all over the place.
I know. Sounds like bubble tea coffee.
Yeah, that's what I figured. It was coffee. Is it good?
If you're a coffee lover, yeah.
I know you like it. You
Plus
like
bubble tea. Oh yeah, I like it.
I mean, you like strong coffee, so.
Yeah. It's really good. Along with the what is it, tapioca?
Yeah.
I like this better than bubble tea.
Thumbs up?
Thumbs up. Here, wanna try the coffee?
Very, very
What?
very, very coffee.
Because it's coffee.
Yeah, very, very strong coffee.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, no, 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 no.
You don't like coffee?
I like coffee, but not this kind of strong coffee.
Got it. Okay.
Oh.
Not your thing, huh?
Thank you.
Hey, what kind of dumpling? What is that?
Pork dumpling?
Bun? Bun? Steamed bun?
They call it show.
Show? Go ahead, say.
Yeah, show pal.
You gotta get one.
Oh, she warm up.
That was for you.
They put noodles.
You said noodles?
They got noodles inside. See? There's some noodles.
Alright, give us a taste. You don't like it, do you? It doesn't look like you like it.
Does it need a soy sauce? Salt?
Probably.
That's hot sauce.
Putting hot sauce?
It tastes like you're eating a pancit.
Let's sit in the bun.
It's like
impressed.
She's not impressed. Not impressed. House special fried rice and the house special lo mein, right? Lo mein? Mei fun.
You don't want any more? You want more? No. What does it taste like?
I don't know. Excuse me. What is that? Is that a vegetable?
Tteokbokki.
It's what?
Like a toasty. Like a tofu.
Oh, tofu.
Yeah, toasty.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Thank you. Okay. I was like, what kind of skin? That's what I thought. I was like, tongue skin. Okay. From what animal?
Yeah.
I wish that
How'd you pick him?
what, this or that? Just like how it is at the other place in Brandywine. I wish other Chinese restaurants where we live in make this, but there's really not that many that does. It's so good.
I really like fried rice.
It's so good.
I like it better than, you know how our fried rice is like a yellow fried rice.
Oh, there, Zoe, there.
Oh, there you go, Mike.
Like, hey Zoe.
Oh, Zoe. Oh, Zoe's asleep. Zoe's asleep.
Oh, she don't like that. Said wake her up. Wake Zoe up.
It's ready. Are you ready, Mike? Ready.
Hey girl, Myla, you wanna go out there? Huh? Myla's first time at the beach.
Yep. That's Myla's first time.
Hopefully it's not traumatizing. Alright.
She's ready.
Alright, you ready? Alright, so this is the episode of what now?
What episode?
Living Blasian.
Oh, Living Blasian. Living Blasian.
Say it again one more time.
Living Blasian.
Living Blasian.
Living Blasian.
There you go, one more time.
Living Blasian.
Alright, first time at the beach for Myla.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you, go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying solo. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Hey, fly. So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, 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 oh. What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on a beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you, go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying solo.